cars showing up. We're still prepping the track, cleaning it up a little bit. Got some bikes over there. Well, guys, we had fun. We did our thing. Had a little ups and downs at the track, but you know, at the end of the day, we had a good time. The car did what it was supposed to do. Obviously, when you go to the track, you know, you get the butterflies. Had a few good runs, had a couple not so good runs. The car was acting a little funny. I just couldn't get it to go into launch mode. they didn't give me, there was a lot of times they didn't give me enough time for my car to boost, and it just kind of threw everything off. But when you're in the spur of the moment, I just got to get some more track time in. But you're going to notice that in the beginning of the video, I was chewing gum. I apologize. I didn't realize it when I was making that video when we got there. But we had fun. We did our thing. We're going to get back over there. We're going to do some more testing. Probably around the fourth race, when I raced that track hog, we were fighting the weather. The weather was kind of intermittent, kind of sprinkled here and there. During the summertime in South Florida, you're just going to experience it. And when I got there, I didn't have my E30 mixture, so I wasn't able to run my high tune on my JB4. When I was expecting that they would have some E85 on the pump, but they didn't. They had everything in the can, so I had to wait till my buddy got there with the funnel. Definitely unprepared, and it won't happen again next time. But he didn't get there till about 8 o'clock. We got to run the mixture on it. Ran the track hawk. Was really impressed with some of the times, but definitely got to get that reaction time down. I did run a 0.17 on my reaction time, so that wasn't bad. It's just the fact of not being able to get that reaction time every time. I'm used to going on the third yellow and then taking off, but there was a couple times I was doing that and I was getting out early, and then once I would get to the green, my boost would go down and I wouldn't have that good start. So just got to figure out, just try to figure out the timing on it, get everything timed up perfectly. Definitely going to get the injectors put on the car now and go full E85 on this, because there's just no other way. It sucks going to the track and, you're not running the times. I mean, we should be running the 9s in this car with no problem. We're just having a hard time. We got to get into 10s first. We're going to run in the 9s. That last race, I ran a 11.1, and I was running about 127 mile an hour. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and comment below on some tips. And if you guys leave a comment, please just leave in consideration. I haven't been on the track my whole life, and we always run on the street, so we haven't experienced some of that stuff. But anyway, I do appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.